We are a logistics distribution center for spare parts. We have 450 people working here every day. The coactivity between on-site vehicles and pedestrians is a constant concern. For the past 3 years, we've developed a strategy to alleviate this coactivity. We still had areas where the physical separation of vehicles and pedestrians was impossible to obtain. We needed an innovative system that would allow us to detect a possible collision between a pedestrian and a vehicle rather than completely isolating pedestrians from vehicle zones. In this context, the Blaxtair system convinced us because it avoids the collision between the vehicle and the pedestrian by accurately detecting the pedestrian without the need for a complementary system. Over the past 4 years, we have renewed 80% of our fleet of 350 handling machines. We have taken advantage of these opportunities to improve ergonomics and safety for our forklift drivers. We tested the Blaxtair system in the first half of the year and implemented the Blaxtair system in the second half of 2020. The Blaxtair system is a 3D camera system that can detect the presence of a person up to 7 meters, 21 feet. Each time this system detects a presence, it will emit an audible alarm and it will light up a red light inside of the cabin. I think the Blaxtair system is easy to use, very intuitive. It's operational as soon as you start the forklift in the morning. At the Lyon Distribution Center, our major risk is the coactivity between vehicles and pedestrians. To address this issue, Blaxtair is the ideal solution, I would say, since this device allows us to detect the presence of a pedestrian in the maneuvering field of a machine without interrupting the flow. We set up a working group with the operators, which allowed us to work on the different options proposed by Blaxtair. And the operators, who will be the users, chose to work with a first option, which is a speed control, i.e. the speed decreases as the vehicle approaches the pedestrian on the one hand. On the other hand, we have chosen the sound alert solution plus the visual alert via LED. This solution is perfectly suited to our activity and to our forklift drivers. All of these devices allow us, and above all the driver, to work with peace of mind because he can concentrate more easily on his task without having to observe what is behind his forklift all the time. The Blaxtair system is used a lot for unloading, and we have a lot of coactivity with the truck drivers. In the second case, we have pedestrian machine coactivity in the unpacking aisles where there are many associates working on foot. The Blaxtair system complements the solutions we had implemented before. It allows us to cover all the risks we have in the distribution center. Since I have the Blaxtair system on my forklift, I'm more comfortable working, especially when I get out of the truck, of course, because with people crossing, truckers, etc., automatically it creates less stress, less fatigue. And that throughout more than 8 hours of the day is very important. Since I've had this system, things are much better. It's a safety aid that's very good.